welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Locksport. Today we are on location, picking a lock. I've got this beautiful little diamond padlock here, made in China, number 7626 in the packet. So I thought I might do a little out of the packet pick for you today. So let's get into this and we'll see how we go. Three keys. Here's our bitting. It's our padlock, a bit crusty, but new old stock. Number 7614. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, still works after all these years of being in someone's old drawer, spotted at a garage sale. Now we are a bit windy, so we'll try and get you through this as quick as possible. Then we'll take you for a little walk around and show you where I am. Okay, going to go try top of the keyway with a commercial top of the keyway tension tool and a homebrew diamond pick. Might work. Okay, here we go. Oh, everything's fallen, collapsing. You get that on location. I'll just pick up my frog and my other frog. Hope everyone just stays in place. Try again. Get another pick, another tension tool. Might have to go for bottom of the keyway this time. Yep, we'll go with bottom of the keyway and we'll try again. How are we going there? Going in with my dad's Evers this time. We'll see how we go. Oh yep, that was quick and easy. That just popped straight away. Get the right tension tool, get the right pick, and you are away. Alright, come on, how about us and the frog show you where we are? Let's go for a little walk. Where's my hat? Don't know. Alright, I'll show you where I am. Now this here is called Murray Bridge. There's gum tree. So I'm at the lookout. And I'll show you why it's called a lookout. It's to look out. Where we are. There you go, people. That's a view for you. So that's the town of Murray Bridge over there. This is the road out of town. Come across that big bridge. Head on up to Tailem Bend. I call it Tailem Bend because it's on the bend. watching, everyone. Subscribe, like, make a comment. Enjoy your day. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.